about to get busy with this cheesesteak. Turn it over the fire. Hey family, thanks for tuning in again. We're down here at the World Trade Center next to the Oculus, man, at the Smorgasburg. I think this is going on through October, every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They're here in Manhattan, and then they go to Brooklyn in 2 locations, in Williamsburg, and also into Prospect Park. Come along, y'all, and let's check out what Smorgasburg has to offer. That's where I'm going, right where the line is at. Let's go check it out, man. Let's go see what he's doing over here, okay? Look at this, man. Look at this, man. We getting in this line. This is one of the longest lines at the Smorgasburg Food Festival here at the World Trade Center. Oh, look at him putting that cheese on there. That look delicioso. OMG. I don't know how hot these peppers are, but I want to taste them first. They're real pickly and hot and spicy. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm pulling these peppers off here. I might tuck this one in the side. Let's tuck this one in the side like that. Here we go now. Look, the meat in that cheesesteak is really cheesy and seasoned. People bumping me in the back, man. I got my backpack on because y'all know I ain't laying it on the ground. Look at this, man. This is really juicy, tender. It is nice, well seasoned. I'm glad I got that little hot pepper in there, man. I taste a little spiciness on my tongue. But I want more now. I'm glad I went there. If you ever get this, right, like I said, they're gonna be out here every Friday. They're gonna be in Brooklyn Saturday and Sunday, 2 different locations. One is in Williamsburg. The other one's gonna be in Prospect Park. Check them out, man. This cheesesteak spot is the bomb. Oh, it came to like the half a cheesesteak and the soda was like, I believe it was like $11, almost $12. Which is not bad, really. Ooh, that pepper's hot. All that meat. It has the onions on there, right? It has the onions and cheese. And then it's getting really soggy underneath with the bread. It gets soggy like that White Castle hamburger. Y'all know I love White Castles. I need a spoon. Look at all this down here. I'm going down to DeBrazzo's next to get me a shish kebab. I'm calling them shish kebabs on a little skewer. 46. Aki. You want my number? Oh man, thank you. Yo, there it is right there, y'all. I was trying to watch him put them spices on there. See him tossing them spices on it? Y'all know I've been here before, right? When we was in Pennsylvania at the Bacon Festival, so I already know this delicious, but we just gonna check it out once again. We wanna check it out. Let's see if I can tell the lamb from the beef. That looks like beef, that looks like beef. I can't tell the lamb from the beef. That tastes like beef. This is always really flavorful, man. Look at this. Look at that meat right there. See those spices that they have on their meat? He was tossing them spices, man. Look like a little salt, man. It looked like some type of like fennel and stuff in there. Look at that pepper. Oh, wait a minute. I started to say it was Mark, but it's good, man. Now, mind you, it don't melt in your mouth. You gotta chew on it. But it is tasty. I can't tell the lamb from the beef. Can you? Look. I don't know which one is which. You know what? That's the lamb right there. Yeah, I think I had beef earlier. This is lamb. That's my worst fear, right? Not to be on somebody's skewer, just turning over the fire. Y'all crazy, yo. That's the lamb one. Y'all thought this was a game. Sorry. There's people walking behind me, man. They're really close. They keep bumping me. But I'm saying I'm sorry. You know? Guess what I didn't get, J.A. Lane? I had napkins earlier, but I'm gonna say that this is another lamb one. So I'm gonna say this one's beef. I think. This your man, Matt DV. Nobody told you they love you today. You hang with the wrong people, but you with the right cat now. I love you cats, man. Thanks for tuning in. We went live earlier, man, but it was bad reception. There was like really good reception in some spots. Then once it's bad reception, man, it's a done deal. So I had to kill the live, man. But thanks everybody that was on the live. This was the continuation. Give y'all some B-roll shots of where I am, where I'm located in Manhattan. Then we'll see you at the next one. I dropped one. We will not be picking that up off the ground. I may pick it up and throw it in the trash. Is packed and we see a lot of smoke, but some of that smoke's coming from the street.